Everybody, and welcome to Robin's house. Today we're working on the card, one of the Cards with Robin project, and this one is using that Lazy Daisy 3D embossing folder. So cute. It creates these big ones and little ones, and you can just color that little spot in the middle. You can make them black, you can make them yellow. Very fun. But what I'm actually talking to you about today is this ribbon. And isn't this the cutest way to tie a little ribbon on your project? And I just wanted to show you how easy it is. So you get your longer piece of ribbon, which you have not yet attached to your card, and you get a shorter piece of ribbon and you fold it in a way that makes it bowed like a health ribbon. And then you just wrap it around your ribbon, your base ribbon, and pull. And you can make it loose or tight, depending on how you want. You can move it around until you're ready to glue it down. You can have it going this way, like I have, or if you like it better this way, it's another look. You can scrunch it way tighter and have another different look. But it's super easy. And for those of you that don't like tying ribbons, this was a lovely option for that. And, it's still movable even on my project. So when you're ready to glue it down, you can choose to put a glue dot behind this so it stays, or you can let it just shimmy around wherever you want it to go. But anyway, this is a super fun, and it's so tight now, it's not nearly as cute. A super fun way to tie up a little ribbon or add a little extra for nothing. It's so cute and so simple. So give it a try, add it to your projects. It's lots of fun. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.